Hi, today I'm here to show you how to install our smart toilet, and I'm going to show you some of our product that it comes with. So it comes with your manual, your T-valve, which will help with your water, your remote control, your batteries for your remote control, your emergency backup battery for your toilet lid, your two brackets that will hold down your toilet to the ground, your water testing, and of most important, your wax ring, and also your floor flanger, which also helps to keep the toilet on the ground. And you see in the bags, it comes with your screws, your washers, and extra washers, and cement bolts to get into your ground to keep your toilet nice and sturdy. Now let's go and talk about installation. So here's the bag that I need to test the water for the tankless toilet. So once I turn the water on, I have 15 seconds to fill up this line, and you're going to turn it on full. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think mine is working very well. I got to 10. So now that we've installed our toilet, and we're going to talk about some things that the toilet can do, and how wonderful that it's so cost effective, and the ceramic is so easy to clean, and the toilet is so easy to control with the knob on the side of the toilet or even with the remote control. Hi, so I'm going to show you a little bit about the remote control. You can take it off of the base. You can mount the base wherever you need it to be. The remote control, one of my favorite parts, is the night light. So normally you'd be sitting here on the toilet, but right here there's a sign that says sensor, so I can also put my hand over it so we can be working with it today. Up on top is all your information, the temperature that you'll be using, your power button, your water, your lid is open. It gives you all your information you want. Here is your massage button for the water to clean your nozzle. Up here is your flush button, your feminine wash button, your dryer button, which is very fun. Then you also have this is your posterior button, water temp, air temp, and seat temp. At the top is your water pressure button and your nozzle pressure button.